Hey guys, welcome back. All right, we're back here at the van. We've been anxiously waiting to get back into this thing. Now, as you guys can see, I've got a couple tarps up, and it's not ideal. It's not a paint booth, but it is what it is because it's cold out here. And when it's cold out here, you can't paint because it just flakes, it bubbles, it just doesn't adhere, and it just doesn't stick properly. So I made myself a little temporary paint booth so we can get this done because the humidity is actually pretty high. It's like close to 90%. It actually dropped since I first looked, but that's okay. Any chance I can get the humidity lower. So what I've got going on is I've got the heater running, as you can hear, or sorry, maybe you can hear, and it's a little dark in here. But I've got the heater running. I've got the heater blowing directly into my paint booth, and I've got my part hanging ready. This is the only part I need to paint. The rest of them are ready to go. I accidentally dropped this piece, chipped a couple pieces of paint off, but that's okay. The majority of it is painted, and then I'm not worried about it. I think I've got everything prepared. I've just got to sand this down a little bit, scuff it up with 180, and get a little bit easier to adhere. Once it's sanded down a little bit, I'm gonna spray it with isopropyl, clean off all the grease, and get painting. Okay, it's all primered up. This light doesn't do much, but it's a little bit. Once it's done, got about 15 minutes. We'll come back, we'll put our first coat, the base coat on. Whew, it's exciting to get this piece done. It's flashed and ready to go, so we're gonna put the base coat on. When the base coat is done, finished flashing, we will put the gloss on it, and then we're finished up this painting project. All right, let's get started. First coat's on. Wait 5 minutes. We'll put another one on. Number 2. Number 3. All right, it's starting to rain pretty good, so we're gonna get this project finished by doing up the clear coat, get this finished and hanging inside the house because I'm gonna close up the van, turn off the heater, and hopefully get this part installed soon. Now, whether I'm going to install this by myself or not, I don't know. I think I might call up GM, see if they can fit me in and they can install it for me, because this project seems a little too big for me so that I can get it done properly without, trying to guess on how to do this. Like, I could figure it out, I'm sure, but I might as well pay the people to do it properly since I don't have an extra hand to give me some expertise, advice on how to do this properly so that my door is perfectly aligned and closes properly. So yeah, let's get this part finished. Coat number 2. Okay, so I've done the last coat of clear, and I'm gonna let it sit for 5 to 7 minutes. I've set a timer for 7 minutes. So once it's done, I'm gonna take it inside where it's nice and warm, can finish curing, and then I'm gonna call GM and see if I can make an appointment, see if I can get these installed, because I honestly just want to get my van fixed. I miss being in my van, and I miss making my YouTube videos. And well, weather's gonna get even worse in the next few days, so I don't think I'm gonna have time, to actually get it finished in the rain without, having my umbrella set up here. So we'll see how it goes, and we'll see you guys on the next episode. Peace out.